For you to be able to identify the missing letter, you also need to identify the missing sound as well. Name the picture and listen to your voice. In this activity, I will name each picture for you, and all you have to do is to listen, then identify the missing sound so you can identify the missing letter. Let's go, kids! You can do it! Listen as I name each picture, then identify the missing beginning sound. Bear. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is B, letter B, you are correct. Dolphin. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is D, letter D, you are correct. Kangaroo. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is K, letter K, you are correct. Rabbit. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is R, letter R, you are correct. Tiger. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is T, letter T, you are correct. Monkey. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is letter M, you are correct. Zebra or zebra. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is Z, letter Z, you are correct. Flamingo. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is F, letter F, you are correct. Cat. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is K, letter C, you are correct. Yak. What is the beginning sound? If your answer is Y, letter Y, you are correct. You did a great job, kids. Until next time, bye!